Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to embed Jotform on a website in 2026. If you want visitors to fill out your forms directly from your website, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, open the form you want to embed from your dashboard. Now click the Publish tab at the top of the form builder. Next, choose the Embed option to view the available embedding methods. Now select the embed type that best fits your website, such as the standard embed code, iframe, pop-up, or source code. Next, copy the generated embed code to your clipboard. Now open your website editor or content management system and navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. Next, paste the Jotform embed code into the HTML or custom code section of your web page. Now save your changes and publish or update your website. Finally, open your website in a browser and test the embedded form to make sure it loads correctly and accepts submissions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to embed Jotform on a website. Your visitors can now complete your forms without leaving your site. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.